10 days of easy Asian recipes. Let's make easy shrimp cabbage fried rice.
Let's make our sauce. Combine everything into a bowl.
1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of monosodium glutamate, a half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a half a teaspoon of oyster sauce, a half a teaspoon of golden mountain sauce, 1 tablespoon of water. Let's give it a whisk. Set it aside.
For your convenience, I have all the recipe measurements listed in the description box below. On high heat, add oil to pan. We're gonna sear our shrimp for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn off the heat, remove the shrimp from pan, place it in a bowl and set it aside. Also scramble 3 eggs, remove from pan, place it in a small little bowl and set it aside as well. On high heat, add oil to pan, your minced garlic, give it a stir until it becomes fragrant. Next, add in your sliced cabbage. You're gonna give this a stir for about a minute. Next, add in your sliced onions, frozen vegetables, and of course, your sauce. We're gonna give this a stir for the next 1 or 2 minutes. Once you have that all combined, this part is optional. I like to add black pepper to mine. You can do a little dash or a lot like me. Next, add in your cooked jasmine rice. Now this part could be a little tricky. Because we don't want a soggy fried rice, you want to make sure you're using the correct rice. Use a day-old rice or rice that has been chilled at room temperature. Gently break down the rice little by little and giving it a slight toss. Next, add back in your scrambled eggs and shrimp. Give it a stir for 1 or 2 minutes, combine well, and we are done, guys. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm Harris. I do food blogging on my Instagram and quick and easy recipes on my YouTube channel here. So subscribe, support me so I can make more videos for you guys. I'm your host, Harris Peñanavo, and this was Cooking with Mr. International.
Salted.
Well, looks like the popo is getting someone. I think they're trying to come arrest me because this fried rice is bussin'. Just kidding, guys.
I added dry pepper to mine. Drizzle some sriracha on there. This we call them a pitbun, which is dry pepper. Creating my perfect bite. Put some eggs. Here it's the cabbage is so sweet, guys. Got sriracha in there.